Guys, we're just going to do a quick unedited clip here. We have a crew working down the road and we're going to be dumping the line, shutting off power from this recloser. We've got Mike on the stick. Reason I wanted to show you guys this is whenever using a switch as protection, you do have to have a visual open. I do have an in-depth detail on the function of a recloser, an in-depth video, I should say. So first step here, Mike is going to open the recloser using that yellow handle. Simple as that. Power is now out. When we respond to no power calls, times we show up and that yellow handle is simply down, showing that the power is off. For our visual disconnect, there's backup switches, which Mike is now opening. Those are 300 amp solid doors. Those switches are in series with the line. The substation's off to our left, feeding down through those backups, then into the OR, and then down the line. So my instruct from the dispatch is to open the recloser, then open the backups, and check open the bypass. So you'll notice there's some cutouts at the top of the structure as well. Those are the bypasses in the event that we have to take the recloser out of service. We can simply install fused doors on those bypass cutouts and they will act as a one-shot protection as opposed to the 3 shots from the recloser. The last step Mike is doing here now is actually removing the cutout doors. Here's a close-up of what these solid blade doors look like. The reason we remove these doors, we're to focus here. Chance 300 amp. The reason we remove these doors, it's not likely, but if there was a vehicle accident, for example, or a tree come down the line, it could shake the structure and actually flip those doors up into the closed position. So it's very important when you're using a cutout as protection to always remove the doors. In a case like this where they are a backup, if they were to close, it still would not energize the line since that recloser is in the open position. So I'm just here to do some switching with the crews. We had to close in a tie switch to minimize the amount of outages. I gotta head back into town to do some other work while the crews change out this pole.